Thank you for shopping at Leith Automotive. We really appreciate you choosing us for your automotive needs. The Leith name has been synonymous with trust, quality, and value for over 40 years. The Leith family of dealerships is located in central North Carolina and proudly serves Raleigh, Durham, Wake Forest, Cary, and surrounding areas. Even Southern Virginia. We do business the right way, so be sure and check out our online reviews. It's like Chris says, don't just tell people how good you are, show them, and we work hard to do just that every day. We hope you enjoy looking at our vehicles online. We work hard to post real high-quality photos of the actual vehicle that's here and on the ground ready for you to drive home today. If this is the vehicle of your dreams or simply have a question, please call or send us an email. We would love to hear from you. Again, thanks for shopping with us.